A new dawn, the Biden inauguration. A crisp January day dawned, painting the Washington, D.C. skyline in hues of pale blue and grey. A hush fell over the crowd gathered at the Capitol, a collective breath held in anticipation. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., hand placed upon a weathered Bible, swore an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States. He became the 46th President of the United States, a moment etched in history. The weight of the moment was palpable, a culmination of decades spent in public service. From the halls of the Senate to the Vice President's office, Biden's journey had been long and arduous. He stood now, a symbol of resilience and hope, ready to lead a nation grappling with unprecedented challenges. The inauguration marked not just a transition of power, but a turning of the page, a new chapter in American history. The ceremony was imbued with a sense of solemnity and purpose. The air crackled with the energy of a nation yearning for unity and healing. Biden's inaugural address resonated with themes of empathy, compassion, and a call for national unity. He spoke of bridging divides, of finding common ground, and of rebuilding a nation fractured by political strife. The inauguration marked a pivotal moment in American history, a time of reflection and renewal. Biden's ascension to the presidency represented a shift in political discourse, a move towards a more inclusive and empathetic approach to governance. As he embarked on his presidency, the nation watched with bated breath, hopeful for a brighter future.
Scranton's son, early life and family values. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. was born on November 20, 1942, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, a city steeped in working-class values. His upbringing instilled in him a deep sense of empathy and a commitment to social justice. The Biden family, though not wealthy, fostered a strong sense of community and the importance of hard work. These early experiences shaped his character and laid the foundation for his future career in public service. Scranton's industrial landscape, with its bustling factories and close-knit neighborhoods, provided a backdrop for Biden's formative years. He learned the value of a dollar, the dignity of labor, and the importance of standing up for what's right. His parents, Joseph Sr. and Catherine Eugenia Jean Biden, instilled in him a strong moral compass and a belief in the power of community. Biden's childhood was marked by both challenges and triumphs. He struggled with a stutter, a speech impediment that he overcame through sheer determination and countless hours of practice. This experience taught him the importance of perseverance and the power of self-belief. The Biden family's Catholic faith played a significant role in their lives, shaping their values and worldview. The emphasis on compassion, service to others, and social justice resonated deeply with young Joe, influencing his desire to enter public service. These early experiences in Scranton would stay with him throughout his life, shaping his political philosophy and his approach to leadership.
The senator from Delaware, forging a political path. Biden's political career began in 1972 when he was elected to the U.S. Senate representing Delaware. At the age of 29, he became one of the youngest senators in U.S. history. His early years in the Senate were marked by a focus on issues such as consumer protection, criminal justice reform, and environmental protection. He quickly gained a reputation as a hard-working and dedicated public servant. During his time in the Senate, Biden honed his legislative skills, becoming a respected voice on a wide range of issues. He served on several key committees, including the Judiciary Committee and the Foreign Relations Committee. His deep understanding of policy and his ability to build consensus across the aisle earned him the respect of his colleagues. Biden's commitment to bipartisanship was evident in his ability to work with both Democrats and Republicans to achieve legislative victories. He believed in finding common ground and forging compromises to address the nation's challenges. This approach to politics earned him a reputation as a bridge builder, someone who could bring people together to get things done. Throughout his long tenure in the Senate, Biden remained grounded in the values he learned growing up in Scranton. He never forgot the struggles of working families and always prioritized policies that would benefit ordinary Americans. His dedication to public service and his unwavering commitment to his constituents made him a popular and respected figure in Delaware and beyond.
Section 4. Legislative Victories, Shaping a Nation. Biden's legislative achievements in the Senate are extensive and reflect his commitment to addressing a wide range of issues facing the nation. He he played a key role in the passage of the Violence Against Women Act, landmark legislation that provided critical protections for victims of domestic violence and sexual assault. This legislation demonstrated his commitment to protecting vulnerable populations and promoting gender equality. Another significant legislative victory for Biden was the Brady Handgun Violence Prevention Act, which mandated background checks for firearm purchases. This legislation was a crucial step in addressing gun violence and promoting public safety. Biden's tireless advocacy for this bill demonstrated his commitment to reducing gun-related deaths and injuries. Biden also played a significant role in shaping U.S. foreign policy during his time in the Senate. As a member of the Foreign Relations Committee, he was deeply involved in debates on issues such as arms control, nuclear proliferation, and international diplomacy. His expertise in foreign policy earned him the respect of world leaders and solidified his position as a key player on the global stage. Throughout his Senate career, Biden demonstrated a deep understanding of the complex issues facing the nation. He was known for his ability to delve into policy details, to master the intricacies of legislation, and to craft effective solutions to pressing problems. His legislative accomplishments reflect his commitment to finding common ground and building consensus to achieve meaningful progress.
Section 5. Triumph over tragedy, resilience, and empathy. Biden's life has been marked by profound personal tragedies that have shaped his character and informed his approach to public service. In 1972, shortly after his election to the Senate, his wife Nelia and their one-year-old daughter Naomi were killed in a car accident. His sons, Bo and Hunter, were seriously injured, but survived. This devastating loss tested his resilience and strengthened his resolve to serve others. Despite the immense grief he endured, Biden persevered, finding strength in his family and his faith. He was sworn into the Senate at his son's hospital bedside, a testament to his dedication to public service. This tragedy instilled in him a deep sense of empathy and a profound understanding of human suffering. The loss of his wife and daughter shaped Biden's approach to politics, making him a more compassionate and understanding leader. He often spoke of the importance of empathy and the need to connect with people on a human level. This ability to connect with others, to share their joys and sorrows, became a hallmark of his leadership style. Years later, Biden faced another devastating loss when his son Bo died of brain cancer in 2015. This tragedy once again tested his strength and resilience. He spoke openly about his grief, sharing his pain with the nation and inspiring others with his courage and his unwavering faith. These personal tragedies have profoundly influenced Biden's life and leadership, shaping him into the man he is today.
Section 6. The Vice Presidency, a Steady Hand. In 2008, Barack Obama chose Joe Biden as his running mate, recognizing his extensive foreign policy experience and his ability to connect with working-class Americans. As vice president, Biden played a key role in the Obama administration, serving as a trusted advisor and a steady hand during a time of economic crisis and global uncertainty. Biden's experience and expertise were invaluable to President Obama. He was instrumental in the implementation of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, a stimulus package designed to revive the struggling economy. His deep understanding of economic policy and his ability to work with Congress helped to ensure the passage of this critical legislation. Biden also played a leading role in the administration's efforts to address the global financial crisis. He worked closely with international leaders to coordinate a response to the crisis and to prevent a global economic meltdown. His expertise in foreign policy and his ability to build relationships with world leaders were crucial to these efforts. Throughout his 8 years as vice president, Biden remained a steadfast advocate for working families. He championed policies designed to create jobs, raise wages, and expand access to healthcare. His commitment to improving the lives of ordinary Americans was evident in his work on issues such as education, infrastructure,